Hi everyone, Harrison here from LED Torch Shop, here with the Imalent UT90, and this is in the hunting kit. So really cool torch. I'm just gonna get straight into it because it's jam-packed with accessories and features. So let's get straight into it. First of all, you get it in a nice sort of hard carry case for this thing, which is great because it comes with a lot of things. The open is great on this, so it comes jam-packed with everything you need for your sort of hunting kit. And they give you a lot of things that sort of other ones don't. First of all, you get your UT90, maximum 4,600 lumens, integrated battery, tail switch, front switch as well. Really nice smooth reflector. But before I get into that, I'll run through exactly all the accessories you sort of get with it. So you get your magnetic charging cable, so that's just a normal USB to a magnetic sort of tail charging, which is, yeah, really easy to use. You get a magnetic tape switch or remote switch, which is great because you can sort of get it on and off really quickly. You can use it as a handheld torch, or you can use it simply as a gun torch. They give you a magnetic gun mount, so it's sort of 25mm, which this is sort of running off. Yeah, and a magnetic end as well. You can get other mounts, we do sell other mounts, but yeah, it's really nice to see they've sort of integrated a mount for you. A lot of other kits don't, so it's nice to see that you really don't have to think about anything. You've got a one-stop shop ready to go for you. And they give you two filters as well. So you got your green and you got your red, and they do a great job. They just screw on at the front, so they are nice and tight. Don't have to worry about them. Don't have to worry about them falling off or anything like that, and it just gives a great profile. So whether you're out and about or anything like that, you can screw them on and off really easily, put them in your bag in a case or something like that, interchange them in a couple seconds. And I had them out, and yeah, they really do a great job. Especially the red was way more surprising than a lot of other reds. Putting a red filter on, as you're probably aware, it just takes away from that distance dramatically. But that red actually does a great job at really focusing that light in and yeah, giving you the max amount of distance it sort of can on that red. Now, the whole handle is a big battery pack, so you can't get into it. It's running off two 21700 batteries, so you get loads of runtime out of that, and especially with that maximum output of 4,600 lumens. It's got a little bit of a heat sink here at the front here with some little fins, so it will get quite warm on that high setting, on that turbo setting, but on those lower modes and stuff, it's more than enough to sort of disperse that heat quite well. I was out in pretty cold conditions, so it didn't feel like it was getting warm for me at all. But yeah, saying that, it will get quite warm if you're in a sort of a warmer climate as well. Just to give you a demonstration of this tail cap and how easy it is, it's just sort of got a couple little grooves here at the back that it just lines up, so you can tell if you've got it on backwards, it sort of doesn't feel right at all. Once you click it around to the normal point, or it's not going to move, it's not really going to do anything, especially when that torch is mounted on a rifle and you've got your tape switch here. That's not going to pop off. But if you did want to take your torch off and hand hold it, all you have to do is pull that straight off the back, and your torch just acts like normal with your rear tail switch and your front switch. So it's a really great sort of searchlight if you just want one searchlight and you want a hunting light as well. This one's definitely one to consider just because of how easy it is to sort of interchange and go between sort of everything, with the added bonus of getting two filters. Yeah, it's definitely worth a look. Run times and outputs though, so like I said, you're getting that 4,800 lumens on turbo, and that's going to drop down to about 1,500 lumens over about an hour and a half or so. Maximum range at that is 1,300 meters, and that's because of that really nice smooth deep reflector. It does do a great job, but being a hunting light, it's nice to see they do have a good peripheral view as well. You really want that for sort of spotlighting. You don't want that pencil beam because you do miss out on a lot of your field of view. So yeah, they do have a nice peripheral, but that hot spot in the middle there is actually really nice and efficient. Dropping down to high mode, you get 3,000 lumens, and that's going to give you about an hour and a half again, bit longer. Runtime dropping down to 1,500 too, so when it gets sort of the voltage drops, it'll drop down too. Get your medium mode of 1,500 lumens, 2 hours and 15 minutes off that, and then you've got your low mode of 30 lumens for around that 100-hour mark. And 30 lumens, if you're just walking around, 30 lumens is going to be more than enough because of that big smooth reflector. So yeah, you wouldn't really have to carry another torch if you wanted to walk around all night with this. Not really super heavy or anything like that. It's very comfortable to walk around with and hold in one hand. And yeah, especially if you're just going to grab a quick reflector, if you're wildlife spotting or something like that and don't want to disturb anyone, yeah, that is really, really cool. A couple other things, yeah, as I said, it's got built-in thermo control. As you can see by the run times, it steps down. You're going to have no dramas with it sort of burning out or anything like that, which is a bit of a worry with some of these really high output torches, but this one, yeah, it's built quite nicely, so you're going to have no dramas with that at all. So we've got aircraft grade aluminium. We got IPX8 rated, so standard waterproof rating, 2 meters submersible, 1 meter impact resistant, so pretty standard specs on that end. But yeah, it's a really, really nice made torch, especially with that whole built-in battery with the integrated magnetic sort of tape switches and charging cables. Yeah, it's going to be really easy to charge at home and charge it in your car or anything like that. So yeah, if you're after sort of that one-stop shop of like your wildlife torch, your hunting torch, and also sort of a general purpose searchlight, this one does really offer it all. The green and red filters do a great job. They're just nice glass lenses, so they do let a lot of light through, a lot more than some of the other filters as well. So definitely worth a look if you're after a hunting kit. Your next hunting kit, Imalent UT90, great light. Please feel free to like, subscribe, really helps us out to grow the channel. We've got new content coming out all the time, so keep yourself up to date, hit that bell button. So yeah, thanks for watching this one, and we'll catch you on the next one.